We're back at it again here with another video to invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Our last firm returns for the smash that like button. Tell them when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So BBIG has had an explosive run and consolidation here, and it's detached from the overall market while the SPY's going lower. And our SPY bot since last week on Friday at around 1 p.m. it sent us out a bear indicator, and that has rolled over into today. And put options were up today for the day 2 to 3x. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down within the volatility. You can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within every single move, and join the members using this resource to maximize on opportunities. Once again, the link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and we just released our Tesla bot, and there's other bots on the way. So BBIG stock here of Inco Ventures Inc. pushing up higher, has done a complete transition from the dip area to the rip area, and we're going to break down all the key levels in today's video. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave small jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was CYTO. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards under a bear indicator, and after the bell continued, consolidated, and you can see that full transition there into strength on 42 vision and ultimate 42 vision with the bull and bear indicators. It got that confirmation on the bull indicator and full strength to a highest point of 110% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with BBIG stock, Inco Ventures Inc. pushing up higher, has done a complete transition from the dip area, which is white with red borders, towards bright green, but having this consolidation here and trying to push even higher again, which has us here where we want to look at this very closely. And this is a big week for BBIG, all right? No pun intended. Big week for Inco Ventures Inc., having to do with the possible gamma squeeze, the whole entire options chain, volume and open interest, and then also rumors of further Tyde news, which is a possibility, not guaranteed. But the technical setup here is very interesting. We're going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot. And we have other bots on the way to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to this resource and join the members using it to receive that clarity and edge within the volatility in either direction. So BBIG stock got a bull indicator on Friday. We talked about this and we saw it pop up here at 269, went up towards 280s, came back down, almost did a double bottom effect there, found a support, and at the bell it was back at 269 and took off nearly to $3, right? It hit the 290s to 295 range, then came back down, consolidated, and now it's trying to push itself back up. Now, based off 42 vision, this would be the dip area. This is the rip area. That's a complete transition on the 30-minute. But this bull indicator is still here, and even though it pulled back a little bit or it's consolidated, no bear indicator has popped up. So for as long as no bear indicator pops up here on the 30-minute, I'm going to be watching this very closely to know how much more strength is in this move, or is this going to be a dead cat bounce or just a momentum move, right? We need to watch this very carefully because it was under a bear indicator since up here at $3 and it lasted all the way down to the 250s. The most recent low that we've seen Bbig stock actually touch after running since March 15th from $2 to $3 and some change. And that's where rejection started to happen and things came back towards the 250s and we're bouncing now, right? So we're going to go ahead and look at this from the 4-hour and the 1 day, and then we're going to break down some key levels here based off the chart. So on the 4-hour, you could see that the transitions are continuing, right? We're going from a dip area here into red with green borders. We just hit our first dark green, but no bull indicator in the process. That's going to be the most significant part that can let us know how much further momentum can come from this move into this week and the possibility of a gamma squeeze forming. Because if we see something like this pop up, I'm not stating we're going to have this same exact move, but we want to see this type of transition continue apart from where this is starting to turn around and continue upwards, okay? Super important. Not guaranteeing it's going to do the same move, but we want a bull indicator to pop up, continuation of transitions, and further strength within these moves like it did here. Not to the T, maybe it could do it more higher than that or something similar to it or less than it, but just we want to continue to see this transition happen and cancel out this bear indicator, because this bear indicator popped up at $3 and around 5 cents, and since then the stock has been bearish, and even though it came up, continued downwards. We talked about watching closely these transitions, and more than ever, I'm going to be watching 42 Vision closely this week because this is a huge week for Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. This is going to be a huge point where I'm going to be watching this edge in clarity very closely to see how quickly the shifts are happening. But on the 4-hour, we're still under a bear indicator, and until a bull indicator pops up along these lines, this will not cancel out. And we definitely want to see that cancel out, so then we can start seeing the transitions into higher levels and possibly breaking through resistance levels. Now, on the 1 day, this is still under a bull indicator since down here at $2.31. And throughout the volatility and the pullback, no bear indicator popped up, even though it hit 1 bar of a red bar. And I stated if we saw red bars, this could possibly go lower if it was followed by a bear indicator. Now, no bear indicator popped up, which could make this the possible setup for the next bull run, as I call it, not the setback, but we need to watch these transitions continue from a red bar to a green bar and continue to grow to the upside, right? We want to see this break through resistance levels, but in the bigger picture, we're still under a bull indicator, no bear indicator within these transitions. We want to see this bear indicator get canceled out, bull indicator pop up on the way back up. And on the 30-minute, we got a bull indicator down here at the 260s and 270 range, and things have continued upwards. So what's the key levels right now? The first thing to the downside is 277. If that gets broken through, it's the low of the day here at 266, 267, give or take. And to the upside, we want to see this break above the high of the day, 293. But most significantly, up here at 295 and $3 range is what I want to see. I want to see this break above $3, form a support, and continue pushing up higher, and that this bull indicator continues to hold strong, that bear indicator on the 4-hour gets canceled out, and on the 1 day we continue to see the transitions of strength. To receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, to maximize on opportunities within the volatility, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to this resource as well and join the members using it to receive that edge and clarity within the volatility, guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.